Hello everyone, so once again you're welcome to my world of maths and physics. In this video, I'm going to be solving this differential question. All you need to do if you're watching a video on TikTok, please do it to click the plus sign, follow me, like this video, share this video, let's talk in the comments. And also the link in my bio is to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please do what to support me and click the link in my bio to subscribe to my YouTube channel. But if you're watching a video on Facebook, the very first comment under this post is a link to my YouTube channel. What are you waiting for? Let's dive into it. So, of course, when we have complex questions like this, what we use is the chain rule. We use the chain rule to solve complex functions or we are asked to differentiate. So now the chain rule is dy over dx, sorry, dy over dx is equal to d is equal to dy over dz times dz over dx. Yeah, so this is what we call the chain rule calculus in differentiation. So now, how do we apply this to the question we have? But first of all, we'll say let z be equal to this value here. Of course, we can see that we have pi divided by 2 minus 3x. So we say let z be equal to this. So this implies that y now is equal to cos z. Yeah, y is equal to cos z. So now in this case, what we are going to be doing first is we are going to be looking for dy over dz. Yeah, we're going to be looking for dy over dz. dy with respect to z. So now if we do that, we have dy over dz is going to be equal to, of course, we know that the derivative of cos x is minus sine x. In this case is z, so it's going to be minus sine z. Yeah, so this is dy over dz. So next step, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be finding dz over dx, dz with respect to x. So now dz over dx is going to be equal to this value, this value that we use to replace x. Of course, we know that pi over 2 is 90 degrees, so it's going to be 90. Yeah, it's going to be 90 minus 3x. Of course, we know whenever we are differentiating, the power is going to multiply the constant, so it's going to be 1 times 3 to the power of times x to the power of 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. So this implies that dz over dx is equal to, of course, we know whenever we're integrating, this one will go, the derivative of a constant function is 0 and derivative of a derivative function is 1. So therefore, what we have left is minus 3. So now, if we still want to find dy over dx, now, of course, remember that dy over dx is equal to dy over dz times dz over dx. So this implies that dy over dx is going to be equal to dy over dz. Of course, we know dy over dz is minus sine z times minus 3. Of course, we know when we have something like this, we have dy over dx will now be equal to minus 3 will come to the front, you understand? So it's going to be 3 sine. Of course, remember that in the start of this video, we said that z should be equal to pi divided by 2 minus 3x. So we're going to be putting that now. We'll put that here. It's going to be pi divided by 2
minus 3x. So therefore, is this is the derivative of this function up here. So this is the answer. Please don't forget to share this video and follow me for more. God bless you. Have a nice day. I'll see you in the next video. I remain Tutor John as always. Stay with us.